Hello Vegas and good morning. Here we are in the first day of reInvent. So yesterday was pretty a relaxed day. We just barely register and have some food, try to recover from jet lag. So today the real thing starts. Now I'm going to the first thing in the morning. I think there is some community coffee organized at Venetian, and then at 10 there is some workshop I want to attend, and then a couple of sessions, and later a party, or two parties actually. So I'll try to take you with me in the event, and let's see how the days go. So I'll see you around. Time to find my workshop. Let's see, there's queues everywhere. Let's see how many people are in the workshop. No fucking clue. The workshop was pretty interesting. The biggest problem was the Wi-Fi connection. It was horrible. So I basically spent 1 hour setting up everything, and then I was like, I cannot go really forward, so I left early. But the good thing of the workshop is that I can follow it up to home, so I will continue looking at it later and checking all the different parts. But it has quite interesting things for securing serverless applications, and I will definitely take a look at it. Now it's lunchtime, so I will try to figure out where it is. Crazy. It's like a whole parking lot converted into dining area. So it's pretty impressive. So many people. They're all guiding you to where to go. So let's see where I'm going. I got a swag box. Thank you, Marcia, for being an AWS hero. Serverless team, let's see what is inside. I have a hat. Let's see what else. I can feel a bottle, Lambda bottle. No idea what is this, but I will open it. Post-its. Legos. Oh, and button! I wanted one of these so badly. Stickers. More stickers. And there's nothing else. Let's see what is in this little one. Rubik cube. And it has some. Funny. This is the hat. Ah! Funny. Now I can go like this to the conference. Now it's time to continue with the sessions. These are one of the few sessions that I rolled. Today is the community day, so I will be attending to some of these community sessions that are to improve your community groups and things like that. So sessions for today are over, and I'm going to hotel room and getting ready for a couple of parties today. So I need to figure out how to return from my hotel because now I'm in the Venetian and I don't have a clue how to get out from here. So I will try to do that. So I'll be time to hit up for the first event of the night. There is the Nordic Partners, reception maybe going on, and then later we have the Heroes dinner. So it's a private event only for community heroes. And I went to room, change a little bit into something more appropriate for the night, put some heels. I'm already regretting that decision because everything in Vegas is so far, but well, they look pretty. So now I'm getting back to Venetian. It's 5:30 or something like that, and it's dark, and I already walk 11 kilometers. So I hope I don't increase that counter a lot today. But yeah, so I will record a little bit from the two events, and I think this might wrap up the video for today. So see you tomorrow with day 2 of reInvent. Bye bye. His face. You're getting a tattoo.
I'm so excited.
And what kind of a
Because I don't know if they're gonna, I hope it comes out good.
Next year is with needles.
Oh my god.
You're tattooing lambda in your ass.
That's already
Over it.
Already happened.
You know.
Are we ready for the reveal?
Let's see.
Yeah. Are you sure this is gonna pop up?
Oh! That's pretty good!